This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Imagine a home designed with a contemporary floor plan with features to include a marble foyer entrance, a recreation room with an in-ground heated pool, stainless steel appliances, beautiful laminate wood floors, granite countertops, bar area that's great for entertaining. Step into the master suite oasis with built-in drawers along with a walk-in closet, soaking jetted tub and custom tiled shower. A bonus room that can be used as an in-law suite or theater room. There is no need to imagine because this can be your home sweet home. Call today for more details. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-300-1569.